My name is Cenmar. I grew up in Mexico City. It's a big city, a lot of things going on, very exciting. My dad had a company and he died really young. He died of stomach cancer that came from ulcers, that came from stress, that came from running a big company in a very complex, environment. Very honest guy in a place that really challenges you when you are doing everything by the book. So, when I moved to the States, it was great, a whole new experience for me. When I was 26, I took a job at a company called Ingram Micro Inc., and they are the largest distributor of computer products in the world. When I worked in that job, I was given the opportunity to take a job overseeing that joint venture. And, I was given some really unique opportunities, including spending time with a Zen monk who taught me how to sit down and breathe and meditate. So two things happened in my stay in Japan. I met the Zen master, and then I also met the head of Softbank. Masayoshi Son is his name. And those two guys kind of rocked my world. One was about creating value for people, businesses that created value that changed people's lives. The other one was about being present and taking advantage of every minute and being aware of the fragility of life itself. So it was very obvious to me when I understood that message that I kind of needed to go and leave my job. One of the things that I asked myself is the work that I do meaningful? Is it changing anyone's life? The answer was pretty clear and very, very fast. And it was no. It's a corporate job. We're a distributor of computer products, probably not that meaningful, at the end of the day. So those two things were very impactful. They really changed what I was thinking about my career and what I was doing for a living, and also how I was living my life and what I was doing to help other people or not help other people. Eventually, this company was born out of that.